Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Python Debugger extension in your Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about this extension, then it is an extension that allows you to debug Python codes with features like setting breakpoints, stepping through code, inspecting variables, and evaluating expressions. Thus, it ensures that the Python remains incompatible along with the different versions. So let's see how to install this particular extension. So in order to install this extension in your Visual Studio's code, you need to head on to the extensions tab, or alternatively you can press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Once you have entered the extensions tab, you need to search for its name. Once you will type in, you can see this particular extension Python debugger with around 71.2 million downloads. So in order to install this, simply click on the install button and wait for the installation to get completed. And here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed for this particular extension. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.